The DEA lists fentanyl as being similar to morphine, but 100 times more potent. 1 kilogram is thought to possess the potential to kill 500,000 people. And as Denver 7's Patrick Perez explains, it's everywhere.
This scene last night looked like a homicide scene. These folks died almost instantaneously. It's a frightening, frightening drug.
District Attorney Brian Mason is sounding the alarm after a group of 5 people who thought they had cocaine accidentally overdosed on fentanyl in his jurisdiction this weekend.
Fentanyl is ravaging our community, and it is extraordinarily dangerous. It's lethal, and it's fast.
Law enforcement is finding the synthetic opioid in everything from cocaine to heroin and meth, and even marijuana.
No drug is safe right now to take. This is a public safety nightmare and a public safety crisis.
In 2021, drug overdose thefts involving fentanyl made up nearly half of all overdose thefts in the state, a growing number compared to years past.
You think you're taking one thing, and really you're taking one of the most powerful opiates out there.
Steve Carlton with Gallus Medical Detox says fentanyl is so pervasive, some people who enter his inpatient treatment facility don't even know they're hooked on it.
It's extraordinarily dangerous and scary.
Here, he says his staff can wean people off fentanyl in just 7 days and connect them with services to get them on their road to recovery.
Opiate Detox, it is pretty predictable what's going to happen, and it's incredibly uncomfortable.
In Denver, you can now order fentanyl test strips from the Department of Public Health and Environment so you know exactly what you're putting in your system. But the tests aren't always accurate.
They change the chemical makeup of fentanyl very easily with their chemists, and so having strips or things to try to test something ahead of time may work today but may not work tomorrow.
The best way to prevent a deadly fentanyl overdose, he says, is just to not take street drugs at all.
A small amount can give you a high, a small amount can also kill you.
Patrick Perez, Denver 7.
Governor Polis called on the state legislature today to address the dangers of fentanyl. He said, while there is no guarantee that increased criminal penalties would have prevented this tragedy, we clearly need real consequences and harsher sentences, he says, for those involved with dealing or possessing enough fentanyl to kill people.
And Colorado stands to receive $385 million to combat the opioid epidemic as part of a settlement with Johnson & Johnson and other drug distributors. The funds will be paid over the course of several years. 60% will be paid on a regional approach, 20% will go straight to local governments, and 10% will be placed in a behavior health fund. Another 10% will be held by the AG's office for prevention and education.
And listen, before we move on, we realize that not everyone who uses drugs is an addict. We also know that for people who do need help, getting clean and staying clean rarely goes in a straight line. So if you or someone you know is ready to take that first step, the Substance Abuse and Mental Health Services Administration's National Helpline is available to take your call whenever you're ready to make it. The number is 1-800-662-4357. And for information on ordering naloxone or fentanyl testing strips, just head over to thedenverchannel.com.